As for now, over 60% of the lithium supply for U.S. automakers comes from abroad. If this reliance on foreign lithium continues, especially as federal tax credit regulations become more stringent, there's a real risk that 100% of electric vehicles could lose their tax credits simply due to lithium. Finding an alternative to lithium would be a smart move for forward-thinking manufacturers. 3 breakthrough battery technologies: tungsten batteries, which can reduce charging needs by up to 70%, Zinc-manganese batteries with an energy density of up to 400 watt-hours per liter, and organosilicon electrolyte batteries, which could boost EV safety by 50%. So, what makes these batteries the next big leap in the industry? Let's dive in and find out. 1. Nanobolt lithium tungsten batteries. The Nanobolt lithium tungsten battery represents a groundbreaking advancement in lithium battery technology, offering significant improvements over traditional lithium-ion batteries. By incorporating tungsten and carbon nanotubes into the anode, this innovative battery provides exceptional advantages, including higher energy density, faster charge and discharge rates, and longer lifespan. Elon Musk has recognized the immense potential of this battery and sees it as an ideal fit for Tesla's electric vehicles, making the Nanobolt lithium tungsten battery a game-changer for the future of the electric vehicle industry. One of the standout features of the Nanobolt lithium tungsten battery is its superior energy density compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. With an impressive 300 watt-hours per kilogram by weight, this battery offers 1.5 times the energy density of conventional lithium-ion batteries, which typically range from 200 to 250 watt-hours per kilogram. In terms of volume, the Nanobolt battery achieves 500 watt-hours per liter, surpassing the volumetric energy density of typical lithium-ion batteries, which is around 400 watt-hours per liter, by 1.25 times. When compared to Tesla's 4680 battery, which has an energy density of about 272 watt-hours per kilogram, the Nanobolt clearly offers a significantly higher energy density, demonstrating why the Nanobolt technology is poised to replace Tesla's 4680 as the battery of choice for the company's vehicles. Higher energy density means the Nanobolt battery can store more energy in a smaller, lighter package. This is a breakthrough for electric vehicles, as it directly translates into increased driving range and reduced vehicle weight. For example, if you were to replace the 54 kilowatt-hour battery in a Tesla Model 3 with a Nanobolt battery, the driving range could increase by up to 20%, reaching 300 miles without adding any extra weight to the car. This gives the Model 3 a competitive edge in the market with a longer range while maintaining optimal vehicle performance. Moreover, the Nanobolt lithium tungsten battery is equipped with solar charging technology, enabling the battery to harness energy from sunlight via photovoltaic materials. This reduces the need for frequent recharging, enhancing energy storage, and providing longer usage times. The integration of tungsten nanotubes increases the battery's electrical conductivity and mechanical strength, allowing ions to move more freely during charge and discharge cycles. As a result, the battery experiences faster charging and improved longevity, making it even more practical and efficient for electric vehicle use. As for pricing, while the cost of the tungsten battery may range from $500 to $800 per kilowatt hour during the initial phase, 2024 to 2026, due to its new technology and limited production scale, the growing demand for electric vehicles and high energy requirements will drive down production costs over time. By 2030 to 2036, the price of the tungsten battery is expected to decrease to around $300 to $500 per kilowatt hour as manufacturing processes are optimized and production scales up. This is quite high compared to the current battery cost that Tesla is using. While Tesla is working to reduce the cost of each vehicle component to increase competitiveness in the low-cost electric vehicle segment. A variety of options are proposed, even for the 4680 battery pack that Tesla is using. Reducing the cost of manufacturing the 4680 battery could lead to a reduction in the retail price of Tesla models. It is estimated that if battery production costs were reduced by 30%, from $100 per kilowatt-hour to $70 per kilowatt-hour, each vehicle using a 100 kilowatt-hour battery could save about $3,000 just from reducing battery costs. With batteries accounting for 30 to 40% of the total cost of producing an electric vehicle, this reduction could reduce the total cost of production of a vehicle by up to 10%. This means that the cost of producing a Tesla Model 3 could be reduced from about $35,000 to about $30,000, equivalent to a savings of about $5,000 per vehicle. On the bright side, if Tesla can apply the cost reduction to its current battery lines, the higher energy density of tungsten could be reduced in the future. We can hope for a comfortable price of about $150 per kilowatt hour for this type of battery to have a different experience. 2. Zinc-manganese oxide batteries. Unlike traditional batteries, the zinc-manganese oxide (ZMO) battery represents a promising solution for the development of sustainable energy storage systems, utilizing zinc and manganese oxide, two abundant and easily recyclable materials. Zinc is non-toxic and widely available in nature, while manganese is known for its stability and durability. The ZMO battery consists of two electrodes, a zinc anode and a manganese oxide cathode. While these materials provide excellent stability, the energy density of ZMO batteries is lower than that of traditional lithium-ion batteries, ranging from 100 to 150 watt-hours per kilogram. This puts it at a disadvantage compared to lithium-ion batteries, which typically have energy densities in the range of 200 to 250 watt-hours per kilogram for electric vehicles. However, given Tesla's focus on cost-saving strategies and emission reduction, it is highly likely that the company will explore new forms of zinc or zinc alloys to improve the performance of the anode. Additionally, optimizing the electrolyte to enhance the interaction between the electrodes could increase the competitiveness of ZMO batteries compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. Equally important as battery performance is the cost of ZMO batteries. With a power density of 20 to 60 watts per kilogram and the availability of abundant, inexpensive raw materials, ZMO batteries offer a low cost ranging from $15 to $30 per kilowatt-hour. In comparison, lithium-ion batteries are priced between $70 and $150 per kilowatt-hour, making them significantly more expensive. However, when we consider the concept of zero emissions, it's crucial to note that ZMO batteries are made from easily recyclable materials, which is particularly advantageous for more affordable electric vehicles, like the Model 2 priced at $25,000. If this battery technology is used in electric vehicles, it could result in savings of up to 70% in overall costs, as the battery accounts for roughly 40% of the total vehicle cost. The ZMO battery also offers impressive longevity. After 1 year at room temperature, it only loses 4 to 7% of its initial capacity, with a subsequent loss of about 2% each year. This is particularly impressive for electric vehicles, as it helps reduce maintenance costs and extends the lifespan of the vehicle, allowing it to operate more reliably over time. Over a 5-year period, the ZMO battery would only lose about 10 to 15% of its original capacity, whereas traditional lithium-ion batteries typically lose around 20 to 25% in the first few years. This is highly beneficial for vehicle owners, offering a lower total cost of ownership for consumers and manufacturers while increasing the long-term value of the electric vehicle. In grid-based energy storage systems, lithium-ion, sodium-ion, and lead-acid batteries are the most widely deployed, accounting for 59%, 8%, and 3% of global electrochemical storage capacity, respectively. Lithium-ion batteries offer the highest energy density, up to 500 watt-hours per liter, with favorable power density up to 300 watts per kilogram and a lifespan of over 10,000 cycles. However, they have significant drawbacks in terms of cost, safety, and environmental impact. The minimum installation cost for lithium-ion systems is about $200 per kilowatt-hour, and they use flammable organic electrolytes, making them hazardous in the event of overload, overheating, or physical shock. They also require sophisticated thermal management and safety components, which add to their overall cost. Ideally, a battery should have a cost of under $100 per kilowatt-hour, an energy density of over 250 watt-hours per liter, a lifespan of more than 500 cycles, and a discharge time between 1 to 10 hours. Given these criteria, ZMO batteries present a compelling alternative to established grid storage technologies. Additionally, ZMO batteries benefit from well-established supply chains and manufacturing processes, enabling them to be produced at scale in larger form factors. Moreover, they are more environmentally friendly than other battery types, even receiving EPA certification for landfill disposal in the United States, and their aqueous electrolytes are non-flammable, making them safer to handle. 3. Organosilicon electrolyte batteries. The organosilicon electrolyte is known for its high safety, making it a key advantage in extending the lifespan of EV batteries. It is expected to replace the traditional carbonate-based electrolytes in lithium-ion batteries. Conventional electrolytes become unstable at temperatures above 60 degrees Celsius and with charging voltages exceeding 4.3 volts. In contrast, organosilicon electrolytes have significantly higher flash points and have demonstrated superior stability and safety, especially under high charging conditions and elevated temperatures, while also improving the performance and durability of the battery. The electrolyte plays a crucial role in the structure of lithium-ion batteries, as it facilitates the movement of lithium ions between the electrodes during charging and discharging. However, traditional electrolytes suffer from uncontrolled interfacial reactions and irreversible decomposition, leading to performance degradation and potential safety risks. One of the key advantages of organosilicon electrolytes is their ability to withstand high temperatures, up to 150 to 200 degrees Celsius. This is a significant advantage in enhancing the safety of EV battery packs. Although the normal operating temperature of lithium-ion batteries in EVs typically ranges from 20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Extreme conditions such as overcharging, overheating, or cooling system failures can cause the temperature of the battery to exceed safe limits. In these scenarios, the organosilicon electrolyte can help mitigate the risk of fire or explosion, as it remains stable at much higher temperatures compared to traditional electrolytes. Silicon in itself has the ability to store 10 times more ions than graphite, and can contain up to 4.4% by weight of lithium within its structure, significantly boosting the overall energy density of the battery. As a result, the energy density is enhanced, providing greater electrical storage capacity in the same size or weight. In addition, the organosilicon electrolyte offers higher conductivity and greater stability, optimizing the movement of lithium ions between the electrodes throughout the charging and discharging processes. Currently, the LFP battery has the lowest energy density of the batteries used by Tesla, at around 165 watt-hours per kilogram, while the highest energy density is seen in the 4,680 cells found in the Cybertruck, which offer 272 watt-hours per kilogram. This suggests that the organosilicon battery should have an energy density within this range, and based on current research, it is already achieving higher energy density than any battery type currently available in Tesla's lineup. Studies indicate that it could reach energy densities of 500 to 800 watt-hours per kilogram in early prototypes. However, this remains contingent on the progression of research and the resolution of technical challenges, such as the expansion and stability of silicon during charge-discharge cycles. This type of battery is expected to have a longer lifespan than traditional lithium-ion batteries, thanks to the durability of the organosilicon electrolyte. Research shows that batteries using organosilicon electrolytes can achieve around 1,500 to 2,000 charge-discharge cycles with optimized silicon materials in the battery structure. If the organosilicon battery can reach 1,500 to 2,000 cycles, its lifespan could extend from 5 to 8 years under normal usage conditions, based on an average of 200 charge-discharge cycles per year. A longer-lasting battery reduces the need for replacements throughout the life cycle of the EV, resulting in significant cost savings for the vehicle owner. So, would you buy a Tesla electric car equipped with one of these three superior battery technologies? We would definitely buy if Tesla uses this type of battery in their electric cars. Thank you for watching our video. If you find the content useful and want to discover more interesting information about Tesla EV, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to Techno Creator and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.